good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504, Jeezy from the Big Easy here to welcome y'all back to the showroom. And today I got an unboxing for y'all. But before I do that, I'd like y'all to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also, if you haven't looked at any of my other videos, I did do reviews on early look reviews on about 4 of the upcoming Jordan releases that are set to come out this for the next couple of weeks and months. So if you go tune into those, I deeply appreciate it. Like I said, it's rare that I give early looks, but these are a couple that I felt like needed to get addressed. And also, not only that, if you're following me on my other social media platforms, I will be doing something special on there, so keep up with the content from there. And this is actually related to one of those things right there. And not only that, I'm doing a giveaway on my 1,000 subscriber. Like I said, I'm doing a $100 Hibbett Sports gift card, and I will be doing that. We're almost there, bro. We literally are less than 30, what we at, 164, so we're literally like under 40 right now. So hopefully we'll be able to knock that out the way. And not only that, like I said, I haven't been doing hat videos for a little minute, so I will be getting back to doing those as well. And without any further ado, like I said, this is actually from a social media thing. And big ups to my New Orleans Pelicans, as y'all can see right here. My team was eliminated the other day by the Phoenix Suns. Like I said, shout out to Chris Paul. You know, he forever welcome down here in the city of New Orleans. Like I said, he represented us well. He didn't do us dirty like other players have done. But yeah, our team was eliminated, and I'm gonna just be real with y'all. I couldn't be more proud of my team because theoretically we weren't even supposed to be in the playoffs. We were a 9th seed that made the playoffs and actually gave the first seed a run for their money. So big shout out to them, B.I., McCullen. I hope the media gets off Zion with this whole trying to leave thing, because he stated out his own mouth that he wants to stay. So hopefully my team will be able to get back into a better position next year. And that's also what I wanted to address here. This box right here, this actually came from Sneaker Politics. They actually sent me this care package right here, so big shout out to them. And not only that, they also took some of my photos and used it on one of their Insta campaigns. So big shout out to them. Happy to be a part of that. And they did send me this box right here, as y'all can see. Has a couple of goodies in there. So let's go ahead, hide my info because I don't want to get hit with the Jack Boys. And let's use my cutter right here, the knife. There we go. All right. Hope everybody's doing okay on this wonderful day. I should have probably took my address off this, but as y'all can see right here, and no, I did not pay for any of this. All right. Yeah, shout out to Politics, man. But yeah, I did get sent a care package, and it was for this photo right here, and they sent it out to me. Politics as usual. They've been sending care packages to people who've been representing the brand and things like that, and I was picked for one of them, so I'm happy to be a part of that. A few years ago, I did make one of these New Orleans Pelicans hats with Sneaker Politics, as y'all can see right here. I showcased it on the channel before, but as you can see, I got the patches and logos right there on the side, on this one as well. And luckily, a few years later, they did wind up reproducing a hat similar to this with a lot of the same features on there. So I kind of feel like somebody was eyeing my shit, but we're gonna leave that there. I'm not gonna get into that. But back to this, Politics sent a few things over, and let's go ahead and get into some of these, man. Hope everybody's okay on this wonderful day. Damn, there's a lot of shit they sent. All right, so I guess I'll get into this one right here. This is the Politics Peace Tee. Now, I did have my eye on this one a while ago. Oh, they also sent their Politics sticker as well. And this is actually a thick shirt right here. So as y'all can see, we do have the all red t-shirt right there. You see you have the Triple Politics logo on the side. over the heart. And as y'all can see right here, we have peace on the back of this. And this is actually a worn cotton material, if I'm not mistaken. It is very, very thick. A very good leisure wear shirt. If I can see, they usually have a tag on the inside of these things, but there's no tag on this one. Let's see. Get to see what this one made out. Yep, 100% U.S. cotton. See it right there. So, like I said, very, very thick shirt. Very nice in my opinion. I will be giving a few looks on this because I do appreciate them sending this over. So, big shout out to the home team, Sneaker Politics. And next, this is the everyday t-shirt. I know this shirt very well because I do have a couple of them. I actually did, I did a similar unbagging with, I believe that was the Grand Pollen one. They did a few months ago. And as y'all can see, this is the all white. This is the basic logo shirt. And as y'all can see right there, we do have that navy blue Politics logo on there as well. Nothing out the way, nothing too crazy. Very, very nice, very casual, which is pretty much the style that Politics has always been going for. So very nice in my opinion. I will be getting a few wears out of this. Have some shoes that I can pair up with. Actually, one of the reviews that I'm coming up, I can actually pair that up with that shoe. And next, this is the Space Alien tee. And if y'all not familiar with Sneaker Politics, that is a boutique down here in Louisiana. They've expanded to the Fort Worth, Texas area, Dallas area, and Austin as well. So they have a couple of stores out there in Texas as well. They were originally in Lafayette, Louisiana, which Derek Curry, shout out to him, actually is one of the founders of Politics. But as y'all can see right here, we do have the Space Alien with the pink glowing eyes right there. Very nice in my personal opinion. Same as the red shirt, as y'all can see, it's very thick, a 100% cotton made shirt, not a blend. And on the back of the shirt, you can see you have the Sneaker Politics logo on the back, done in that pink with the white outline on there as well. Love how this came out. Have another shoe that I could really pair this with, and I'm probably gonna be rocking this. I might wear it tomorrow, you never know. I might do a few looks on that, but definitely it's a heavy tee, but you know, I like how, you know, that's a good quality tee when you have this kind of weight on it. And let's see, we have, I think I'm gonna do this because I noticed the shorts. These are the everyday shorts, and I have a couple pairs of these as well. Right, and as y'all can see right here, this is the everyday shorts done up, and it's as the same as that blue, that white t-shirt as well. And you can see right there, we do have the Navy logo on there as well, the Politics P. Very, very nice. Like I said, this is the everyday shorts. Like I said, you can't never have enough shorts, especially down here because it is hot as hell right now. I believe these are these 100% cotton too? It's not saying. Oh, here we go. These, yep, 100% cotton. So yeah, I will be getting a few good wears out of this. Very, very nice. Nothing out the way. You could pretty much pair this with a lot of different shoes, which I will probably be doing. And last but certainly not least, we have, which one is this? This is the Jungles New Orleans. Now, I don't remember seeing this one on the site, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. Let me see. What was this one called? Oh, alright. This was the Politics Times Jungle Party Alligator hoodie. Okay, that's what it was. Alright. Let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, now I'm remembering what this one was. I love how this one came out. And this is the hoodie, the Politics Jungles hoodie, as y'all can see right there, all white, and as y'all can see, y'all have the Jungles logo with New Orleans underneath it. Very, very nice. This gives me that 90s, this really gives me 90s New Orleans vibes right here, because all this art right here is very reminiscent of how it was like during the era I grew up in the 90s and the 80s. So on the back, that cartoon gator right there just looks straight out of old school New Orleans. As y'all can see right there, we do have Mardi Gras, New Orleans. I was there, jungle, very, very nice in my personal opinion. Like I said, I like how this hoodie came out because it is a thick hoodie. You could pretty much wear this. This is a leisure hoodie for real. Like I said, it's very heavy. Super dope quality on here. Love the material. Love how this came out. I really like this design on the back of that, man. So shouts out to y'all politics. I really, really appreciate y'all sending this my way. Like I said, I will snap a few pics up with these things on, and I will share it on my IG. So if y'all not subscribed, not following me on there, I deeply appreciate y'all doing that. And as always, like I said, politics, like, they knocked it out the park with these things, man. I deeply appreciate them for doing this for the channel, because your boy didn't have to get none of this, to be honest with y'all. Like I said, there are 100 influencers, and they decided to send it to me. So couldn't be more appreciative of that. But let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. And as always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I will do an outfit video on there, letting y'all know how the sizing is on a lot of this stuff, because a lot of this is available on the politics site. If y'all want to take a look at it, y'all can see the link right here, and I'll leave it in the bottom in the description below as well. But as always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I am JC Baby, and we're in the show, and I'm out. You dig?